So go on, lead the way, I won't be far behind. I'll be right next to you. I'll be right next to you.
January was a month of rainfall. Measurable precipitation occurred more than 25 days in the month of January this year. It's February 1st, and the rain has finally stopped, so we're headed down to the river to check the levels. From a distance, we can hear it roaring, so the levels must be really high. Wow. It's raging today. The river here is typically the most beautiful, deep, dark shade of green you've ever seen. But not today. Swiftly moving water, carrying debris of logs, mud, and rocks, have turned the water a murky brown. It's crazy to see how high the level of the river is. We're finding that most of our trails are flooded. Typically, the shoreline extends beyond the furthest trees, but not today. The levels are high and the water is flowing. So we're off to find a different trail on higher ground to get better views of the river today. So today we watch from a distance on higher ground. Along the way, we enjoy the habitat of a typical Pacific Northwest woodland forest, rich in moss, lichen, Oregon grape, and ferns.